Hello! Today we are introducing the adorable Amigurumi Toad. If you haven't made him yet, you should know that the full tutorial for this cute character is already available right here on our channel. But our little friend is missing something essential for his adventures. That's why in this video we will be making his iconic backpack. Step by step. Get your hook and yarn ready because we are starting this new accessory right now. To make Toad, we already have a tutorial available on this channel. I will be sharing the link to that tutorial and all the others in our Mario Bros collection in the description of this video. Today we are here to make this backpack and we will need very few materials. You will need a base color of your choice. I use this one, which is like a wheat color, and we will also need a very beautiful green for the blanket. Use a little blanket. These are not exactly materials I used, but I want to show you a very bright green that stand out. For these materials, we will use 2.5 millimeters hook. Additional, we will need pins, a yarn needle, and a small button of your choice. That's everything, so let's begin. Let's start making the back using wheat colored yarn. And on round 1, let's start with a slip knot and 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then starting on the second chain from the hook, let's start with 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And on the last chain, 1 triple increase. 3 single crochet on the same base. 1, 2 and 3. Let's repeat exactly the same one more time on this side. 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And here on the chain number 10 on the beginning, 1 triple increase. 3 single crochet together. 1, 2 and 3. That's it. We already finished the first round. Put some mark. We will continue working in a spiral. And on round 2, let's start with 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Then now 1 increase. Ten single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then 1 increase and 1 single crochet. That's it. From round 3 to 12, 24 single crochet in each round. Just continue doing single crochet until finish this round and exactly the same on the next rounds until round 12. I am already finished the round 12. Then on round 13, let's make only 11 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. From round 14 to 20, 1 chain in the beginning, turn the piece and 11 single crochet. 1 in each one on the previous round. Just continue doing single crochet until you are 11 and finish this round. Round 15, 1 chain, turn and 11 single crochet. Just continue repeating the same until round 20. On round 21, 1 chain, turn the piece, starting with 1 single crochet. On the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet, then 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 12 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 1 slip stitch on the last double crochet on the top, like this. 1 slip stitch. Then 4 double crochet starting on the same base of the last double crochet. 1 on the next one, 2, 3, and 4. 1/2 double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 chain to finish and secure. Cut the thread, leaving enough just to hide it. Hide all the thread. And then I'm already finished the back. For the blanket, using green color yarn, let's start with a slip knot and 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 until you are 13, just 13. And let's start on the second chain from the hook, taking the back loop or the loop on the back of a chain, and let's make 12 single crochet. I prefer that. If you want to take work on the traditional back loop, you can also do it like that, okay? Then just make 12 single crochet, 1 in each chain. Then from round 2 to 7, 1 chain to up and turn the piece, 12 single crochet. Just continue repeating exactly the same all rounds from round 2 to 7. If you want to make more rounds, you can also do it. But this is all the yarn I have on these colors. I'm sorry for that, but it's enough. Then 1 chain just to secure and hide all the threads. I'm already finished that, and I will leave exactly like this. Then let's make 2 pockets, starting with a magic green using wheat color yarn, magic green, and 3 chains. This one is the first one. 1, 2, and 3. Then 6 double crochet inside the magic green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close the magic green. On round 2, 3 chains on the beginning. 1, 2, and 3. Turn the piece and 6 double crochet, 1 in each one on the previous round. Just make 6 double crochet. After 6 double crochet, just 1 chain to secure, cut the thread, leaving enough just to hide it. And remember, we need 2 equal pockets. Let's start another detail, starting with a slip knot and 31 chains. After 31 chains, let's start on the second chain from the hook, making 30 single crochet. I will take the loop on the back of a chain. You can work however you prefer. The second single crochet, you can make the single crochet in a form of V or X, whatever you prefer will be okay. When you finished 30 single crochet, just make 1 chain to secure and hide the thread. And we need 2 equal pieces like this. I'm already made both. Then now we are ready to make the union with all the piece and get the backpack. Then pay close attention and you can see how to do this. The first is put the bottom, but you need to put the blanket for a moment. Then put the bottom in the best place for you using just 2 threads from the same yarn and with the same color. I will make the union with the pocket, with the another accessories, and also I will put some stuffing. That is up to you. You can also make more blankets and put it inside. It's some idea that I give you, but I will only put stuffing. Then pay close attention and you can see how to do everything. I want that you know these straps are very stretchy, so if you want them to hang a bit lower, just give them a little stretch and they will stay that way. They really do stretch a lot. I hope you like this project as much as I did. If so, please let us know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, then you will receive notification every time we upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end and see you on the next video tutorial. Bye!